Construction can continue on that controversial mosque in Murfreesboro, but the congregation won't be able to move in anytime soon. Today, a Rutherford County chancellor ruled the county cannot issue a certificate of occupancy until a final order in this lengthy court battle is entered with the court. Channel 4's Larry Flowers joins us live from the site of construction with the latest. Larry?
Well, Demetria, the building has already begun to take shape. It's nearing completion. The dome on top was just added recently. And as you mentioned, construction can continue, but when members will be able to use this building is still up in the air.
It's very hard working.
Islamic Center of Murfreesboro Imam Osama Balul says he can hardly wait until the day he's able to worship in the new mosque.
I look forward to the day where we will be able to open the center to invite everyone, Muslim or non-Muslim.
It will be a while, though, before that can happen.
Has to be an approved site plan before there can be an occupancy permit.
Chancellor Robert Corlew III granted an injunction to the plaintiffs today, preventing the county from issuing a certificate of occupancy until a final order can be filed with the court. Construction will continue, but members won't be able to occupy the building.
Well, we were very pleased with the Chancellor's ruling, actually. The Chancellor prohibited occupancy in this particular case, and that's what we've been asking for.
The other issue before the court today, the plaintiffs had asked Corlew to force the hands of Rutherford County leaders to enforce his recent order. Corlew ruled the action of the Planning Commission at its May 24, 2010 meeting is void because inadequate notice was given for the meeting. The plaintiffs were hoping to stop construction, but the chancellor denied that request, saying the order doesn't become final for a month.
The primary issue is whether or not the June 1 order was enforceable within the 30-day period. It's not. That gives the parties a reasonable opportunity to consider the alternatives in light of the court's order, appeal or otherwise.
Islamic Center leaders are hoping this court battle can be worked out. As of now, they are not a party to any of the litigation, but they are prepared to sue the county if it comes down to it.
Any options available for us, any options probably will be on the table.
Construction is expected to be completed at the end of July or in early August, but a time frame as to when members will be able to move in and start worshiping is still not known as this two-year court battle continues. That is the latest live in Murfreesboro. Larry Flowers, Channel 4 News.
The Rutherford County Regional Planning Commission voted on Monday night to appeal that recent decision by Chancellor Corlew. Tomorrow night, the full Board of Commissioners will go into executive session to decide whether to appeal or simply re-advertise the meeting and conduct the site plan approval process all over again.